the Billboard Hot 100.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
Statewide test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System, originating from the State Emergency Operations Center in Columbus. This is only a test. The Ohio Emergency Alert System is designed to provide the public with timely warnings and emergency information. Had this been an actual emergency, you would have received instructions and information related to that emergency over this and other stations in your area. This concludes this test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System.
The only news that hears you. The Black Info.
There's one next. I don't know when or even if it's gonna do it.
This is a statewide test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System, originating from the State Emergency Operations Center in Columbus. This is only a test. The Ohio Emergency Alert System is designed to provide the public with timely warnings and emergency information. Had this been an actual emergency, you would have received instructions and information related to that emergency over this and other stations in your area. This concludes this test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System.
Wow, it's about time they did that.
Mostly cloudy. Snow likely late this morning. Potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Morrow, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KIG, 86 Columbus, Ohio. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. Saturday night.
Alright, so I really thought the recon was on National Weather Service Cleveland, because, shut up, it's on Channel 3, which is Cleveland. Yeah, I don't know what's up with that. So I guess I'll put it back on channel 7 when I feel like it. But other than that, everything else was pretty successful. This is yelling, "You have one unread message," but yeah. Pretty cool.
You have one unread message.
I get it. Calm down. 550 didn't go off. Apparently it has a dead tuner, but I'm going to try to get that fixed. If not, at least I got myself a fancy alarm clock. Yeah. Everything else worked pretty good. Of course, besides the Honeywell, because it only goes off for alerts that it wants to go off
You
for.
have one unread message.
Shut up, I get it. Yeah. Pretty successful overall, though. Yeah.